guys, Dr. Christy Ennis. Today we are working on protecting those knees by stabilizing all the muscles that are around it. So we've got 5 exercises today that are probably a little new and different from what you've seen before. All right, exercise number 1 really works through those side hip and glute muscles, which are extra important to support those knees. So band is above the thighs. The lower down it is, actually the harder it is. So the higher up it is, the easier it is. So you're just gonna go into a little bit of a bend. I'm gonna take 2 steps to the side. That's 1, that's 2. A tiny bit of a shift in my body weight, but not too much of a lean. And then it's a little bend in that knee, and I'm gonna lift right out to the side. Again, you're not lifting forward because we're trying to use that side hip, right? So then it's coming back this way. And again, right? Woo! Sand is uneven here. And you wanna shoot for about 10 on each side. All right, exercise number 2 is going out to the side again. We're gonna take that right leg and step it out into a lateral lunge. That's part 1 of the exercise. So here I am. I'm using that side glute and the back glute for this right leg that goes out to the side. From here, you wanna stay nice and steady, and then I'm lifting this opposite leg up without hopefully moving too much here. So now I'm using the side glutes on this leg. From here though, you're gonna take that leg and you're gonna tap it forward, keeping it lifted, and tap it back, and then step it right back to the center. So as I do that, right, I'm getting here, right, the side butt, as I go forward, a little in the hip flexor, and again, a little bit more into that posterior or glute maximus too. So shoot for 10 reps on each side. All right, exercise number 3. If you do need to hang on to something for balance, please do so for this one, because it is definitely more balancy. So I am going to start standing on this front leg. As I'm doing this, I'm gonna think about not lifting with this leg right now. This back leg is only going to lift because I'm shifting into this front hip. That's kind of my starting position. So already this leg in front is working pretty hard. Now I'm gonna bend this knee, and from here, I'm going to bring that knee out to the side. So now I'm using, again, side glutes on that side. And then I'm going to actually alternate and bring that foot straight up. So again, glute maximus a little bit more. Notice too, my front knee has a little bit of a bend in it so that you're not putting too much stress in through that knee. And if you feel like this feels not too bad, but maybe a little not great, you holding on actually does make a bigger difference, and you'll have less stress going through that knee. So same idea, 10 on each side. All right, our next 2 exercises are on the ground. So to start here, band stays in the same place, feet about hip width apart. Do a little bit of a pelvic tuck so that you're flattening that back. We're gonna lift our hips up into a bridge, so you're lifting up as high as you can without arching through the low back or in the rib cage, and without straining your neck. You're gonna stay here, and then you're actually gonna pull both knees apart. Make sure as you do this that you are not dropping your hips or dipping your hips. Right? So you're gonna stay up here for 10 repetitions. If you want a little more challenge, you can do the same thing actually on one leg. So I'm gonna lift one leg up, and then same idea, I'm gonna bring that leg out to the side without, right, dropping my hips still. So again, utilizing all of those side and back leg muscles, and with this leg straight, we're using those quads and hip flexors a little, and even on that opposite side too. So for the first one, shoot for about 10 to 15. If you're doing it with one leg, again, try for 10 on each side. All right, our last exercise is on our side. So let's get in that position first correctly. I'm gonna start by straightening my legs out, lifted torso away from the ground or the bed. If I look down, I can see my pretty painted pink toenails, a little bit of my foot, and not much else. If you see a lot of your legs are probably too far forward. So from here, we're gonna bend our knees but not move our hips. You're gonna keep that top knee bent, and you're gonna lift that whole leg up. From here, you're actually then going to straighten it out even more. So trust me, this definitely is more intense than just lifting that leg. So with that being said, if it is too much to add that leg straighten on there, that knee extension, go ahead and just stick with this bent leg lift. Again, you'll get a little bit more, obviously, if you straighten it out. And again, about 10 on each side.